In this question, we are going to integrate the equation from 0 to 1, and we are going to again integrate the same equation from 1 to root 3 by x. The given function x upon y to the power 7 plus 1 dy by dx. So, since we know that root 3x, or we can say 3 root x, is less than equal to y, which is less than equal to 1, and x is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. So from here we can say that 3 root x is equals to y which is equal to x is equals to y to the power 3. Now plotting the graph, this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis, so the line which go from here is 1 unit, and towards y-axis this is also 1 unit, and between these a curve will be go like this, and this is our shaded region. This is our 1 unit and this is our 1 unit. Now limit zero less than equal to x and x is less than equal to y cube. 0 is less than equal to y and less than equal to 1. Integrating the function from 0 to 1, 3 root x, or 0 to y cube x upon y to the power 7 plus 1 dx dy. Now integrating 0 to 1, 1 upon y to the power 7 plus 1 dx dy, we will multiply with x square by 2, 0 to y cube dy. Now we are solving it further. We will get 1 upon 2 integration of 0 to 1 y to the power 6 upon y to the power 7 plus 1 dy. Now 1 upon 2 integration 1 to 2 1 upon u into du upon 7, which is equals to, after taking constant one side, we will get 1 upon 14 limit ln u 1 to 2. Now further solving it, we will get 1 upon 14 ln 2 minus ln 1. So here we will get I is equals to ln 2 upon 40. Here we will get our final answer. The concept we are using here is we are letting y to the power 7 plus 1 is equals to u. Now 7 y to the power 6 dy is equals to du. Simply we are differentiating it both sides. Now y to the power 6 dy is equals to du upon 7. So from here we will put y to the power 6 dy is equals to du upon 7. Here you can see we are putting it, and this is our final answer. I is equals to ln 2 upon 40.